There's a warning tonight from dentists about the dangers of take-home teeth whitening kits. As Kate Massey reports, they can do more harm than good.
Smiling is a sign of happiness, but there's a lot hiding behind these faces.
I've spent probably 40 years of my life being self-conscious about my teeth, not liking how I looked in photos, wishing that I looked different.
Had root canals, Invisalign, did almost everything you could, gum surgery, etc. Just trying to get the confidence in an open smile, essentially.
Eduardo and Marie have spent years in and out of dental chairs trying to fix their teeth. Dentists are warning others if they want results like this, it won't happen overnight.
We want to be making sure that whatever treatment they're moving ahead with is going to be predictable, is going to be successful, and that's why it's really important that we know what exactly is going on in the mouth before we recommend the right kind of treatment after.
They say take-home kits advertised on social media are a short-term fix and can also be dangerous.
So with different kind of whitening products that might be out in the market, we also don't really know what the percentages of the peroxide, which is the active ingredient of whitening, might be in these kinds of products that you are using in your mouth.
Experts say that discoloured teeth is more of an aesthetic issue rather than a medical problem, but demand is still on the rise. The Australian Dental Association says nearly a quarter of Australians underwent teeth whitening last year.
It's the biggest and best gift that you can give to yourself is a charge to your self-esteem. Now, every day when I look at my mouth, I just love it. I just want to smile more.
Kate Massey, 7 News.